I've been on the board 12, 14 years, and I've never seen anything like this before.
Last night, we told you 3 Anderson County School District 2 board members walked out of a meeting. They said a board member who had resigned previously should not have been reinstated. They argue that if a judge also finds the board member shouldn't have been reinstated, the board wouldn't have had the majority present to hold the meeting.
A 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell has been digging into this today, doing a lot of reporting on it. So we're going to go to Ann to find out exactly what she was able to discover here and whether this is illegal or not. Ann?
Amy, Tom, we obtained 4 different opinions from 4 different law offices about the status of Stu Shirley. He is a board member who sent an email announcing his resignation effective immediately on May 14th. He then rescinded it 3 days later. 3 opinions say that he can still be a member of the board now.
There's no shortage of opinions when it comes to conflict on the Anderson County School District 2 board.
An opinion is like noses. We all have them.
7 News obtained 4 opinions from attorneys about whether Stu Shirley is on the board. Monday night, Acting District 2 Board Chair Bonnie Knight presented findings from 2 attorneys, Catherine Johnson and the State Attorney General's office. Johnson said for Shirley to resign effectively, he needs to give 30 days written notice and have the board accept it. Therefore, his resignation didn't count. The State Attorney General's office also said a court would likely agree that a board member could revoke their resignation before it's accepted. Based on these findings, Knight said Shirley could return to his seat, but other board members think these opinions don't cut it, and the move would risk a lawsuit.
I would advise to not have a board meeting tonight until this is
That is your opinion.
The opinion of an attorney from the firm White and Story says that a vacancy likely exists, which would supersede board policy. If a judge agreed with that opinion, then the meeting Monday night would be invalid.
Anything that we do, and this hadn't been settled about the board member vacancy, so it's subject to us to a lawsuit.
A 4th opinion from firm Duff and Child says that Shirley's resignation was ineffective, meaning he never left the board. We spoke with the chair of the board that oversees District 2. He thinks a judge should make the final decision.
And according to the chair of that board, that District 2 board is split 3 versus 3, and there needs to be a majority in favor to go to court, so they're really in a tight spot right now.
This is a really interesting, messy situation. So what about Shirley? Has he said anything about why he resigned? Were we able to reach him?
I tried to get an interview with him today. He did not respond, but according to the acting chairman, Bonnie Knight, he resigned after a difficult board meeting and resigned in response to confrontation and threats even.
All right, Ann Maxwell, we will continue to follow this. Thank you.